Hello friends, you're welcome back to our channel. I want to bring you a very important update on W-Coin listing. I'm going to read from the official page so you'll be able to know what is going on. And why this information is very important is for us. If you are not yet mining W-Coin, please, you can still use the next few weeks to get something out of it. And I'm going to show you how quick you can do that. And if you're already mining and you have stopped because you think the listing is no longer there, please, this update is very important for you. Let me make my claim for now. So for those of us who will be joining new, please, and I'll encourage you to do that. So you can see there are so many ways to earn here. The tapping has ended. You can no longer tap, but you can still earn in different ways, so many ways. Let's start with task. If you click on this task, now you see there's many ways to earn so much. Now if you start with the active task, for instance, if you want daily ad, each ad gives you 30,000 of this coin, so you can watch up to 20 times. You know what I say? If you have your time, and these ads are less than 30 seconds and all that, so very easy. You can even watch all of them and gather. So it's still possible for someone to join now and be able to make something out of it. This is another ad, 30,000, also 20. So you can use it too. You can play these things. You can see so many things to do here. If you invite friends, you earn more. You can follow W-Coin on Instagram to earn 50,000 of this. So there are so many ways now. Okay, every day you visit, like I'm doing that for now. So I earn by visiting every day. So there are so many things apart from making payment. These ones are free. So you see there are so many things to do. And apart from that, this is under active. You can still go to the YouTube channel and watch all of these videos. You can see watching this video 100,000 coins. So just follow the instruction of what you're expected to do, watch the videos and do that, and you earn all of this things. So it's very much easy. Whether you are going to join new or you're already an old miner, please try to increase your earning. I'm going to do that for myself before the listing. So I'm going to read the news now about the listing. Let's quickly go there. Let's just see. Let me click on this WI, please, and claim this. This is another thing you have to be claiming. It's very important. Now it's taking me to this. I'm going to read about this listing now. Very, very important. Look at it. W-Coin listing date confirmed. Very much confirmed. We finally made it. After months of building, grinding, and pushing through every challenge, W-Coin is officially listed on April 29th. So you can see you still have a whole 1 month. But now the only thing here that the date is now there. Remember, if you are mining before now, anytime you stop up to 1 week, they burn off some of your earnings. So please, now is the time to continuously do something. So April to July, you still have up to 1 month for those of us who are not yet part of this. And then you say no more delays, no more soon. This is free. It is happening. All the whole centralized exchanges that are going to, list this coin. They are all confirmed. Everything is now ready. That is it. The market is on our side and all that. Now, why you are doing this? Look at areas you must consider very well so that you will not miss out from the airdrop. Now, make sure you connect your wallet to Ton Wallet. Make sure you are following the campaigns, campaign like all those videos you're supposed to watch. Make sure you watch them. That they're going to consider all of these things. There are what we call pre-listing tasks. I'm going to show you again from that. Mass invitation. Do your best to invite some of your friends. It's very important. I encourage you to join through my link. Then all in-app engagement. So what are they like saying? This is an example of what they are saying here. Like if you go back to this task, you hear about pre-listing market engagement. Look at it here. You can see this. What is it? Let's look at it. Click on it and see. So they expect you to do something here like this pre-listing reward. Follow BigGet to get W-Coin. So you can follow BigGet on Telegram. Play this. So these are, for instance, I do this now. I follow BigGet. After I've done following it, I can earn. So this is exactly what they are talking about. Okay, you are following Bitgate on X space, that is Twitter. You click on that, you now go back and verify. Now let me show you something. Sometimes you might verify like this and it will not agree. Please, you have already done it. You can do that again and come back. It will still happen. Don't mind my whatever. Then claim it. You can see it's now working. Please, it has been added. So when you click for the first time and see verify, you click and it shows that it's telling you didn't do anything. Please do it again and come back. You're going to see the claim button, because if I don't tell you this, some people may say, it's not working. Please, it's working. So you can see you can increase your earning. These are pre-listing. Then don't joke with this YouTube area. Don't joke with this area. They say nothing. Look at the spaces. This is campaign. That's what this is. This is example of what when you hear campaign. This is what it is. I've done this, remaining me to play this nothing to the point they want me to play it, and I'm going to earn the whole of this. So these are the campaign you need to be part of in order to qualify for this airdrop. Then think about linking up your Ton wallet. That's what it said. If you look at this place. This is a wallet. Click on it. If you have not linked it up, it's going to show. Have you linked up your Ton wallet? I've linked it up. That's why they are telling me if I want to disconnect it. So if you have not linked it, you're going to see connect, and you quickly do that, and it's free. So try to do all of these things so that you can be part of this listing happening on April 29th. So this is a very important update I say I'm going to bring. And I'm going to encourage you, if you are new to our channel, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. Like this video as well. And if you are going to join, please, you're going to see my link on the description part of this video. Use it to join, and let's grow together. If you have a question, use the comment box. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.